You want to know how to delete your Threads account while keeping your Instagram account. And in this video, I'll show you exactly that. Now head over to your Threads app and click on your profile in the bottom right corner. Now click on the two lines in the top right corner and hit account. Now click the fifth option, which is deactivate or delete profile. And now you're met with two options, the option to deactivate your profile, which is temporarily, and the option to delete your account. Now previously, you could not delete your Threads account without deleting your Instagram account, but Instagram has updated this and now you can delete your Threads account only. Now be aware that this is permanent, so you can't get anything back. Once you are ready, click on delete, and now all you have to do is enter your password and you can go ahead to delete your account. Now if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to support me and my channel. It is highly appreciated. And as always, I hope to see you on the next video.